Now, whether or not it will though, well, there's only one way to find out. This video is sponsored by Casetify, who sent over their new impact case for the Galaxy S23 series, which despite being relatively thin, is rated for drops from up to 8.2 feet. We've got the Galaxy S23 Ultra going head to head against the iPhone 14 Pro Max in our drop test. Now, to make this level of drop protection possible without the case itself being super bulky, in addition to the raised bezels to protect the screen, Casetify is using what they call EcoShock material. We've actually done different tests on a block of the material with it just absorbing and transferring energy way better than the competitive material, but of course we just had to test the case on the S23 Ultra itself. And after doing a corner drop from just under 1.5 meters onto concrete, the phone survives, with the screen still remaining fully intact. Now, the case itself obviously suffered some scuffs to that corner, but underneath, the phone's frame still looks perfectly fine, which, considering how expensive this phone is the only result that you want. Now, in addition to drop protection, what makes Casetify cases stand out is your ability to customize them to look however you want, with literally thousands of prints letting you make your phone look unique to you.